In a twist that few saw coming, 1000 LB Sisters star Amy Slayton appears to have thrown out the rulebook on her upcoming wedding, dramatically altering her original plans and stunning fans with an unexpected change in theme and venue. After months of hinting at her dream celebration, close sources and recent footage suggest Amy made the heartfelt decision to pivot from her vision, not for aesthetic or budget reasons, but to accommodate her growing, and sometimes complicated, family dynamics. The revelation has sparked a firestorm of speculation among fans and followers, who have watched Amy's personal evolution from struggling sister to empowered mother and bride-to-be. Amy's journey has never been ordinary. Rising to fame alongside her sister Tammy Slayton, the pair became household names as viewers were introduced to the physical, emotional, and psychological struggles that come with extreme obesity. But even amid the tears, health scares, and chaos, Amy always held on to one dream, having a fairy tale wedding that was uniquely hers. In previous interviews, she expressed desires for a Gothic-inspired event, complete with dark florals, vintage dresses, and an unconventional venue, a bold departure from traditional Southern ceremonies. It was to be a wedding that reflected her quirky personality, her love for horror aesthetics, and her deep connection to all things offbeat. However, recent developments point to a striking transformation. Social media sleuths first noticed subtle hints of the change when Amy posted cryptic Instagram stories featuring pastel color palettes, rustic outdoor setups, and mason jar-themed decorations, a stark contrast to the dark and moody tones she'd previously admired. The caption, "Sometimes change is good heart," was the first public indication that something big was happening behind the scenes. Soon after, a leaked clip from a new 1000 LB Sisters production day showed Amy touring a country barn-style wedding venue with her sons and extended family in tow. According to insiders, the decision wasn't taken lightly. Amy always wanted her wedding to be a reflection of her individuality, a close friend revealed. But with everything that's happened over the last year, family drama, personal growth, and her kids being such a big part of her life now, she realized that this wedding wasn't just about her anymore. In fact, many believe the presence of her young sons was the deciding factor. Amy has often spoken about wanting her children to be comfortable and included, and a dark, moody theme might have felt out of sync with the joyful family vibe she embraces. But not everyone was on board with the original plan to begin with. Tension has long simmered within the Slayton family, and insiders hint that some relatives voiced discomfort with the haunted house wedding vibe Amy once proposed. While Amy initially resisted changing her plans to appease others, motherhood seems to have shifted her perspective. Amy used to be more defiant about doing things her way, one producer explained. But lately, she's more focused on unity, peace, and making memories that are happy for everyone. Viewer may recall past episodes where family events dissolved into arguments, with wedding planning often becoming a source of division rather than joy. This new, softer theme seems to represent more than just aesthetic preferences. It marks a personal turning point for Amy. No longer the rebellious sister trying to carve a unique identity, she's stepping into the role of matriarch, peacemaker, and planner with a broader vision. Fans were quick to comment on this evolution. One Reddit user noted, "Amy's not just changing her wedding theme. She's changing the narrative. It's not about drama anymore, it's about family." Others applauded her decision as mature, thoughtful, and symbolic of her healing journey after a tough year. While official details remain under wraps, speculation is rampant about the new theme. Some believe it leans toward a boho country aesthetic, with soft lace, greenery, and sunlit settings. Others suggest she may be taking cues from popular Pinterest-inspired barn weddings, with string lights, hay bales, and family-style dining tables. The new venue, believed to be a countryside estate just outside of Dixon, Kentucky, reportedly offers a child-friendly space with open fields, a petting zoo, and even pony rides, a far cry from her original haunted mansion idea. There's also growing interest in how Amy's sister Tammy will play a role in the revised ceremony. Tammy, who has had her share of public ups and downs, has been noticeably more supportive and involved in recent months. The sisters appear to be mending past tensions, and producers have hinted that Tammy may even play a key part in the wedding festivities. Some fans hope she'll serve as maid of honor or give a heartfelt speech, which would mark a full circle moment for the duo. Whether or not that happens, one thing is clear, Amy wants her wedding to be a day of unity, not drama. That's not to say the planning hasn't come with challenges. Sources claim Amy has faced pushback from friends who preferred the edgier concept. There were people who loved her original idea and thought it was perfect for her, the insider added. It took guts to say, I'm going in a different direction. But Amy's not afraid of growth anymore. Financially, too, the switch may have had implications. Gothic-style venues and themed weddings often come with niche vendor requirements, which can be more costly. The new country venue reportedly offered a bundled family package, easing both cost and planning stress, something Amy, now a single M. Had to consider carefully. Meanwhile, fans are divided. Some lament the loss of the bold Amy they've always known and loved, while others embrace this new chapter. Twitter and TikTok are buzzing with theories, mock-ups, and fan-edited mood boards imagining both versions of the big day. One viral video even joked, Amy's wedding went from Wednesday Addams to Little House on the Prairie real quick. But even in jest, the tone is one of affection. Fans are rooting for her, no matter what path she takes. In her latest video update, Amy didn't explicitly confirm the theme change but did drop several telling clues. Sometimes we outgrow things we thought we always wanted, she said while sipping sweet tea on her porch. What matters now is love, laughter, and making sure my babies are smiling. The comment section exploded with support. Followers praised her vulnerability, calling her a real role model and a true Southern mama. Others pointed out that the evolution in her wedding plans mirrors the transformation in her health and mindset since the show began. Ultimately, this isn't just a story about a wedding venue or color scheme, it's about identity, adaptation, and acceptance. Amy Slayton has always been one of the most relatable stars on reality television because she's willing to show the messy, complicated process of change. Whether she's shedding pounds, confronting her past, or shifting her dreams to fit her new reality, she does so with a kind of messy courage that we viewers connect with deeply. Her decision to switch her wedding plans, then, isn't a betrayal of her former self, it's a tribute to her present one. As fans eagerly await more footage of the planning process in upcoming episodes of 1000 LB Sisters, one thing is certain, Amy's wedding, no matter the aim, will be a celebration of everything she's overcome and everything she now holds dear. And in a world obsessed with perfect Pinterest weddings and rigid traditions, her willingness to change course for the sake of love, family, and harmony may be the most beautiful part of all. Whether she walks down the aisle under a Gothic arch or beneath twinkling barn lights, Amy Slayton will be doing it her way, and fans wouldn't have it any other. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.